So this is the Vira Cyclops 8100SC6 matrix. So I got this for, I think it's about $200. Bought this on the country. Yeah, cause like maybe chance of mine they lose the receipt, can't return this. So yeah, I was so lucky to get this on special from the private buyer, not from the shop. Right, so this one has 28 pieces. Let's take this plastic seal out. Okay. Oh, another canvas bag. It says Cyclops. Looks cool. Okay, let's see what is inside. As usual, you'll find these Velcro things to be stick onto your bag. Another signature sticker on white, and just information about the Cyclops, saying Cyclops speed. So you can put this into 5 different positions. This one will be the 90, 45, 180 degrees. 5-degree angle. You can twist this either to the left or to the right to change direction, lock or unlock. And you got the button, you need to press this to secure the bits or the extension or holder. Right, so let's have a look. This Cyclops, a huge Velcro smooth side. Right, okay, you got a bit holder and the socket, extensions and adapter. So for the bit, for the torque, you have this Phillips, and I don't even know what is this, maybe the hex, yeah, and also the socket. And the socket is running from 10 to 19. The larger extensions, the adapter, and also the anvil. Right, okay, let's try this. This one is the half anvil. Vira 8000C. This one is to change direction. Oh, this one is a lot better than the small version. This one is to release the bits, and this one is to lock the bit. And I still don't understand what's these two grooves on each side for. Okay, so let's try this with the socket number 17, the right one. You have to press this one to lock this into place. Yep, this must be to the right. And if I switch to the left, sorry, switch to the right and switch to the left, switch to the right. Yep. Let's try with this extension, how long it will be. And for the extension, don't have this holder, so just plug in and you're ready to go. So for the socket, you just have to pull out a little bit harder, and I wasn't so sure what is this for. Looks funny. And also the other one is okay, this one is for the bed holder. Put this in and you're ready to holding a bed. Still they have this locking mechanism. Trying to pull this out. You just have to pull out to put the bed into place, and then it will secure locking and get back to work. Really nice tool. And yeah, if you ask, I haven't used this tool yet because I think it's too good when I still have another tool that I can work on. Right, that's all for the review, and there are still many videos that you could watch on my Vira collection. Right, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.